Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes, and this is a quick tartar sauce. Let's get you started.
Okay.
What we'll be needing for this one is half a cup of mayo, the juice of half a lemon, 8 cornichons or gherkins, half a tablespoon of capers, and 1 teaspoon of dried dill. You can use fresh dill, probably use a little bit more, like 1 tablespoon. Cut your gherkins in half, then slice them up roughly, mix them up with the capers, then cut them thoroughly. Mix it in with the mayo, make sure you give everything a good wipe.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy, huh? Who's a good boy?
Me. Mix in the dill, squeeze in the lemon juice, pinch of salt and pepper, and mix thoroughly.
Thanks for watching that one, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Peace out, hombres.